main static int a is equal to 1. ptr fun, sorry, print function, ptr fun a plus is equal to 1. Next one again, ptr fun printf %d a comma b, end of the function. Next one, go to the ptr function. Static int a is equal to 2. Int b is equal to 1. A plus equal to plus b. Printf %d a comma b. Yeah, these are the two functions. Now my question to all the people is, try what will be the output of this program. Try what will be the output of this program. In my opinion, today's class is just started now. Please, can you go ahead? What is the output of this program? Yeah, go ahead now. Now it's perfect. Yeah, please give answer. What is the output of this program? Int a comma b, main static int a is equal to 1, right? ptr fun a plus is equal to 1, ptr fun, right? Printf %d a comma b, ptr fun static int a is equal to 2, int b is equal to 1, a plus is equal to plus b, printf %d a comma b. Can you go ahead? Everyone have to try. Can you try this? Someone is saying 60, someone is saying 30. Please verify properly. And first of all, identify how many values will print. First of all, identify how many values will print. So I think in the main function, one printf is there. So 2 values will print. When you call the PTR function first time, 2 values will print. When you call the PTR function second time, 2 values, totally 6 values will print. Totally 6 values will print. Not 1 value, 2 value, totally 6 values. Where is the Soham? Soham, where are you? Where is the Ella? Ella, where are you? Soham, where are you? Who is still learning in this era of AI? Yeah, I think AI maybe make the things faster. AI things will make the things faster, but learning is required, na? AI will make the things faster, but learning required. So remember, totally. Someone is saying that error message. There is no question of error message. There is no question of error message. There is no question of error message. And one more thing I want to have: static scoping, dynamic scoping. Which one is complex? Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Which one is complex? Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Which one is complex? Make it fast. Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Which one is faster? Which one is difficult? Dynamic is complex. No? That is the reason most of the languages follow static scoping. If they don't mention anything, by default you have to go to static scoping. If they don't mention anything, by default you have to go to static scoping. They didn't mention, you have to go to static scoping, because most of the programming languages follow static scoping because it is very easy to implement. It is very easy to implement. Right? It's very easy to implement. If they don't mention anything, scoping problem will come. You have to go for static scoping. Anyhow, I'm trying to give answer. See the answer, everyone? Everyone see the answer? Everyone see the answer for this? Everyone? First to compile this program. See the answer. First to compile. When I compile, this is the static area. When I compile, it is a static area. Static area having 2 parts: global variable, local variable. Static area having 2 parts: global variable, local variables. When you say global AB, I think everyone know, because of not mention anything, by default 0. AB by default 0. Global. Let's go to local. Local means when you say which, right, you have to say which function. Main function. In the main function, one local is there, static variable A, which is 1. And one more local variable, I think a PTR function. PTR function, in that local variable static A, which is equal to 2. Right? Please be careful. Please be careful. It is. You have to keep properly. Data arrange properly. Arrange the data properly. Yes, I arranged. Everything is all right. Compile. This is the status. Now let me run the program. Go to the main. First one. Go to the main now. First one. Static int A is equal to 1. Static int A is equal to 1. Skip it. Running time, skip it. Next one, PTR fun. PTR function call. PTR fun. Can you see this first one? Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute, give me. Fine. So PTR fun. PTR fun. Now see the PTR fun. So in the PTR fun function, it is a local variable. Static. Skip it. Second one, int B is equal to 1. B local variable. 1 will be there. So this line is over. Next one, A plus is equal to plus B. Remember, B is 1 plus B. It became 2. It is the pre-incrementation. Afterwards, a plus is equal to, after it became 2, a plus is equal to, this one became a is equal to a plus b. B already 2. A is already, a already. Can you go there? Where is the a? Where is the a? A is a local variable, but in the static area. In the PTR function, this 2. So this is 2. This 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 will goes to a. This became 4. This also completed. Lastly, printf percentage d a comma b. A means which a? Static variable. So this 4. B means what? Local variable 2. So first 4 2 will be printed. First 4 2 will be printed. So after this printf is over, this function is gone. This function completed. So what is the meaning? Control will come back. Control will come back. Right? Then all gone. Let's see this. This function came back, all gone. And one more thing I want to ask you. Whenever you say this function is over, so this work, this local variable, whatever is there, right? Whenever this function going on, this b created. Whenever this function over, this b gone. This b gone. Be careful. But this a is there in the static area, it don't go. Static variable lifetime is total program. Static variable lifetime is total program. But remember, local will be used by local people only. But total program, it will be there. Static variable will create first two, right? And it will lose. You will lose the static variable at the end of the program. But locals will be used by local only. So at the end of the PTR function, this is completed. Now see the answer. A plus is equal to 1. Remember, A is a local, but it is there in the static area. Static area main program go this A. This became 2. This also completed. Now see this one. PTR function again called. Previously called, now again called. Now see the answer. Static variable. It is right. Static variable memory you cannot create again. You cannot initialize again. So first one skip. See the second one is a local variable. Again memory will allocate. Value is 1. Previously created and it is gone. Now it will create again. Next one. A plus is equal to plus plus b. B already 1. Plus plus b is 2. So a is equal to a plus b. Where is b is 2? What is the a? A is a local variable in the static area. 4. This is 4. 4 plus 2, it became 6. So finally a 6, so b is 2. So 6 2 will be printed. Second time 6 2 will be printed. After completion of this, again control will come back. So these are local things, you lose it. So this is completed. Now come back in the main program, printf a comma b. What is the a? A is a static variable which is there in the static area. So I think main a is going to be 2, right? So what is the b? What is the b? See this one. There is no b in the main program. I think it is a scope problem. Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Nothing mentioned means static scoping. So b here. Everyone know. Global variable also stored in the static area. They are by default 0. So 0 will be there. So finally a comma b. What is the a? 2, b is 0. 2 0. Let me know if I done anything wrong. Oh, this is done, right? This is done. But initially, what is the a value? 1. It became 2. It became 2. More than that, nothing will happen. So answer is 426220. Let me know if anything wrong I done. Let me know if anything wrong I done. When did you write the global variable? When you all are seriously doing, I got to know some mistake happened, so I written. When you people are all seriously doing by heading right, by keeping your head down seriously, when you are doing, I got to know, oh I missed something, so I written there. So indirectly I cheated you. Thank you so much for identifying. I thought no one recognized my efforts. Thank you so much for recognizing my efforts. Thank you so much for recognizing my efforts. I thought no one recognized my capability. Someone identified. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Right. Now take the next problem. One more interesting problem is there. Take that problem also. So answer for this problem is 426220. And one more. Please give answer. What is the answer of this using dynamic scoping? Static scoping, this is the answer. I am very happy. What is the dynamic scoping answer? It is a 4 2, it is a 6 2, no issue. It is a 2 comma 2 comma. Dynamic scoping means what? Whenever you have problem, right, you will see previous, but for the main function, previous no one is there. Main function previous, who is there? Whenever dynamic scoping, whenever you have any issue, previous you do. Before main, who is there? Previous means what? Main is came from where? I think main is came from after global. After global only main came. So then what is the answer? Same thing will print. Dynamic scoping also will print same answer. 426220. Right. Right, it will behave like a static only, because before main no one is there. Main came from where? In the main there is a scope problem. Main came from where? Before main, who is there? Other than compilation, because execution will start from main only. Execution will start from main only. Main itself problem. Then what is the answer? You will go before who is there? Before main, compilation only. Before main only compilation. Oh, compiler value. Compiler value, what is there? 0. So 20 will be printed. So 426220 using dynamic scoping. This is the static scoping. Yeah, perfect. Now I am going to the one more problem. Please listen, everyone. Please listen, everyone. Everyone listen. Same problem. Same problem. Everyone listen. I'm just adjusting. Be careful. I'm going to do one more small adjustment. Everyone listen. Don't worry at all. Just I'm going to do one small modification. Actually, I have to rewrite, but instead of rewriting, I'm utilizing the existing thing. It is better to make your own notes. If anyone is not making, I request you all, please make your own notes. I request you all, please make your own notes. Static scoping, dynamic scoping, I done. Right? Now listen. Listen, everyone. You have to take once again. You people have to take once again. Please be careful. You have to take once again. This is another problem. It is another problem. You have to take once again. Let us assume this place replaced by int. This place replaced by auto int. Int already there. So static replaced by auto keyword. Let us assume, right? Static replaced by auto, right? Auto. And one more thing, below also one more static is there, that is replaced by register. Register int a. Here register. Then what is the output? Same program, whatever previous problem is there, same. Whatever previous problem is there, same. Whatever previous problem is there, same. Just I done small adjustment, right? Auto int a is equal to 1. Next one, static, right? Static plus register int a is equal to 2. What will be the output? I will do one time. Everyone listen. I will do one time. These keywords I didn't set till now. I'm saying first time. I'm saying first time. Everyone have to listen. These keywords I'm saying first time. If I don't say, you feel, they are very complex, but they are very easy. I'm doing once again. Can you see this one? I'm doing what is the output of this. Remember, whenever scope problem, there are two things: static scoping, dynamic scoping. Remember this. Everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. I'm going to explain these two keywords also. These two new keywords also I'm explaining. Can you see this? Can you see this one? First two. Compile this program as usual. Compile. Static area. Global, local. Yeah, global, AB. By default, global, right? Global people will store in the static area. Static area by default zeros. If you don't keep anything, by default 0. Okay. Let's go to local. Can you help me in the local any static variable? No. Local any static variable? No. So no memory in the static area for local. No local which is static. So in the static area, no local people are created. Only globals are there. Now let me run the program. Right? Everyone observe. Let me run the program. I'm running. Take stack. Let me run the program. I'm running. Take the stack. Okay. Start from main. Everyone observe. Start from main. Okay. Go to main. In the main, if you observe, auto int a. So I just want to ask you one small line now. If auto is not there, for local variable where memory will allocate. Suppose assume that this is not there. Suppose assume this is not there. Can you say where memory will allocate? Assume that simply int a. Where is memory? Simply int a. Where is memory? In the main function, one local variable int a. Where is the memory? In stack, right? In stack. Suppose assume that simply int a. Memory will be in the stack area. Okay. Suppose static int a. Memory there in the static area. Simply int a. Memory in the stack area. Static int a. Memory will be there in the static area. Till now, everything is perfect. Now listen everyone. So depending upon how you write, it will behave. See this one. Normally, if at all static is not there, auto is not there, simply int a, memory will allocate in the stack area. In the stack area, remember everyone, if you don't write anything, memory will create in the stack area. Same meaning, auto int a means automatically memory will allocate in the stack area only. Auto int a, simply int a, both are same. Automatically memory will create right in the stack area. Auto int a means automatically create memory in the stack area. That is the meaning. So I want to say that auto int a, simply int a, both are same. Auto int a, right? Auto int a, right? Simply int a, both are same. What is the reason? Automatically memory will create in the stack area. Now, one more interesting question I want to ask you. One more interesting question. Just 1 minute. 1 minute, some call came. Just 1 minute. Yeah, so automatically, sorry for inconvenience. Now see this one. Auto is there or auto not there? Int A also memory will create in the stack area. Auto int A also memory will create in the stack area. Automatically memory will allocate. Right? Automatically for local variable memory will allocate in the stack only. So I want to confirm to all the people, auto there, right? Auto int A or int A both are same. Only to confuse you, people will give. And one more beautiful thing I want to say to you, one more beautiful thing I want to say to all of you. Can you help me? Global variable by default where memory will allocate? I want answer from all of you. For global variable where memory will allocate? For a global variable where memory will allocate automatically? Make it fast. For a global variable where memory will allocate automatically, where? Static area or not? That is the reason. For a global variable, listen, for a global variable, if you write int A comma B, static int A comma B, both are same. For a global variable, if you write int A comma B, static int A comma B, both are same, because by default for global variable memory will be in the static area only. Whether you write int AB, whether you write static int AB, both are same. Whether you write int AB, whether you write static int AB, both are same. So by default global variables are static. No need to write static. If you write static also same effect. By default local variable local integer variable memory will be in the stack only. If you write the auto int A also same. So please try to understand the right what exactly going on. I think now everyone is fine. So auto int A there, simply int A there, both are same. Now see this one. After that line is over, let's come back. So memory will create automatically in the stack area. So A will be here. A will be here. First line over. Can you see this one? Print function called. Go to here, print function. In the print function first line, understand this also. In the print function first line, understand this also. Register int A is equal to 2. Remember everyone, int A is equal to 2 means, memory will create in the stack area. For integer, memory will allocate in the stack area. But when you say register int A is equal to 2, memory will allocate in the register, so that program will become faster. Other than fast, there is no difference. Is a local variable, name is A, but memory will create in the register, so that program become faster. Other than that, no difference. Only fast will come. More than that, there is no change. If you want, you can verify. CPU register, it will create, so that program become faster. But remember, is a local variable, but memory created for this local variable in the register. Same effect. Int A, whatever happening, register int A also same thing will happen. Auto int A also same thing will happen. But in the register int A, memory will allocate in the register, so that program become faster. This is the only difference. So whatever happening previously, now also same, no difference. But in the right register int A, memory will allocate in the register, so that program become faster. Next one, int B is equal to 1, B1. This is completed, this is completed. A plus is equal to plus plus B, it became 2. A plus is equal to B means A is equal to A plus B. A is equal to A plus B. I think it became 4. Next one, printf A comma B. I think 4 comma 2 will be printed. 4 comma 2 will be 4 2 printed. So after 4 comma 2 is printed, so print function is cancelled. Control will come back. This is completed. Now I am in the main program. Main program, A plus is equal to 1. It became 2. This is over. Again print function is called. Again print function is called. In the print function first line, register int A is equal to 2. Again 2. Because as soon as that function is over, local variables are gone. It is not static area. Static area will be there permanently, but other people will come and go. Whenever PTR function is called, register will be allocated. Whenever PTR function is over, register will be deallocated. Again called, again some other register will be given. A is 2. Next one, int B is equal to 1. B is 1. A plus is equal to plus plus B, right? I think it became 2 now. This became 4. Afterwards, print a percentage D A comma B, again 4 2. Right? After this printf function is over, control will come back. This also over. Afterwards, printf a comma b. In the main program, a comma b. I think a too, but b not there. B not there. Static, right? Static scoping by default. Before main, who is there? I think global variable. So b 0. So answer is going to be 2 comma 0 will be printed. 2 comma 0 will be printed. Is it okay? Fine. Is it okay? Yes. Yes. So remember this everyone. Remember this everyone. Everyone remember this. Everyone remember this. Everyone remember this. Everyone remember this. So right, I'm writing. If you want, I will write also. See this one. If you want, I will write also. See, global declaration. See, global declaration. Global declaration. Global declaration. Int A, static int A, both are same. Right. Next one. Local declaration. Local declaration. Int A, auto int A, register int A same. Local declaration. Int A, auto int A, register int A same. Right? Careful. Careful. These are very, very interesting points. These are very, very interesting point. In one of the GATE examination, this question is given for 4 marks. In one of the GATE examination, this question is given 4 marks. How they given? First, they written static. What is the output of above program? Initially, they given static. What is the output they written? Right? That is the question number 1. Question number 2, in the above program, if I change first line, static int A by auto int A, right? This line, if I change, register int A, then what will be the updated program output? What will be the updated program output? So this program is given for 4 marks. Consider the following C program. Question number 1, what is the output? Question number 2, in the above program, if I change first static by into, second static by register, what is the output? So that is the one more thing. So please careful. Yeah, I think you done the very good work. Till now you done the very good work. Till now you done the very good work. Right? So please be careful. Till now you done the very good work. Right? Yeah. So just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Right? Just give me 1 minute. So, right, most probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow, right, Aman interview is there. So he's the one, right, in the EPT, he got the 5th rank. In the computer science, he got the 5th rank. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, his interview will be there. So, right, Raju sir interview also there very soon. We scheduled, right? So next one is Utkarsh, who got the 12th rank. Santanu, right, he got the 16th rank. Aditya, 23 rank. These all are our toppers. These all are our toppers. I wish next year your photos are there here. In the first row itself, I want to see all of your photos. In the first row itself, I want to see all of your photos. First row only I want to see. Make sure, right, accordingly you prepare. From now onwards, if you prepare, you will get the nice rank. From now onwards, don't delay. Don't delay. From now onwards, you please prepare. In EPT, I seen some people who completed 8 subjects also. Some people completed 4 subjects. Some people completed, right? So 5 subjects. So you keep on complete the subject. You keep on do practice, right? So, yeah, fine. Now come to the next one. So if you like EPT classes, you can, right? You have in your profile, you will find out your referral code. You can ask your friends, whoever want to join. So you just give that code, you will get the 20% referral cashback. Just you have to only one thing you have to do. Just give your referral code. So they will get some discount, you will get the referral cashback. And 40% discount going on, you can utilize. Right. So these are the things. Combo courses, all the things you will get. right? Combo courses, you will get all the things. And one more thing is combo only. Combo only, you will get the 80% discount. Only for combo courses, 80% discount you will get. Only combo courses you will get 80%, because I want to do maximum benefit to students. If you take the combo course, right, you will get the 80% discount. For all other remaining 40%. You can utilize this. You can utilize. Lot of advantages there you can utilize. Today at 8 o'clock, there is a mentorship class. Every weekend at 8 o'clock, mentorship class is there. You please come and ask what problems you are facing. And please inform how much syllabus is over. Please inform, right? Please inform to us, right? So next week, what you are going to do, next month, what you are. So we are going to track your status. I request everyone, please come to the mentorship session, which is there every weekend, Saturday 8 o'clock, Sunday 8 o'clock. These are the free resources. You can utilize all of them. Right, so these are the advantages if you join the EPT classes. Right, very soon syllabus will be over. You can start the practice. These are our previous ranker. I'm expecting your rank, your photo will also be there. These are the people who done the GATE also, placement also, right? Only place, only placement, only GATE, combinedly they done. So these are the combinations. Right, so DSC Super 50 batch is going on. 50 best interview questions are going on. You can utilize. Now come here. Now come here now. Now come here. Everything is fine. Now come here now. Yeah, I don't know what is the time now. Yeah, one more question maybe we can do. Please say this. One more interesting question I am giving. Please take care of this also. Main. This is also a nice problem. Main int a is equal to 7. Printf percentage d. Printf percentage d f of a. Go to the f function. F of int a or int n. If n is less than or equal to 0. If n is less than or equal to 0. Static int r is equal to 5. Here r is equal to 9. Return 2. Else, if n greater than 3, if n greater than 3, return r plus f of n minus 2. Else, return r minus f of n minus 2. This is a problem, very interesting problem. Can you go ahead? It's a very, very interesting problem. It's a very, very interesting problem. I don't know how many people will give answer. This question, if you can give, you can handle anything. This question, if you can do, you can handle anything. Can you go ahead? It's a very good question. Very less people can do this. Very less people can do this. Make it fast. Output of this program. In one of your previous paper, this question given. Everyone try. Yeah, I'm giving the answer. I think you people tried, so it's going to be very interesting problem. I'm trying. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. It will confuse you. This problem clearly will confuse you. Yeah, compile this program. Compile this program. For static variable, memory will allocate. See this one, compile. Only one static variable, right? Global and local. There is no global. See the local. Local static area. I think which function? F function. What is the variable? What is the value? R. R is 5 as of now. Local, right? Variable name is, right? Function name is F, right? R value is 5 as of now. Static int R is equal to 5. So this is the static area. Carefully understand. It's very interesting. Carefully understand. Now take stack. Take stack. So see everyone, major one. Whenever recursion is going on, we are using stack data structure. Whenever you are using recursion means for calling itself, many function call. If you want, you can check F calling F, F calling F, F calling F, recursion. Recursion means function calling itself, many function calls, many push operations. So that is the reason people used to say recursive program running. Means we are using stack data structure. Interesting thing is non-recursive program also stack only. Recursive program also we are using stack. Non-recursive program also stack only. But in the non-recursive program, stack size is 1 unit or 2 units, very less. But in the case of recursion, stack you will use huge. That is the reason recursive program people used to say recursive program uses stack. Non-recursion also uses stack, but constant stack space. But recursive program uses more stack space. Sometimes order of n. If at all f of n is calling, so many times calling, maybe n is there, n times maybe you are calling, n stack maybe. So from today onwards, if anyone asks you, recursive program, non-recursive program, which uses stack? Both. But what is the difference, right? Non-recursive program use most probably constant stack space, but recursive program uses more stack space. But remember, both are using stack, right? Now I am executing. See this one, main program onward start, a value 7. Don't worry about the main program because one small thing, a is equal to 7. Okay. Next one, printf percent f of a going means 7 going. That 7 will store here. So 7 came. It is stored in the n. Now see how I am running. F of int 10. Careful everyone. F of int 10. Int n. What is the meaning? Memory will allocate. F of int n. Memory will allocate. So n value. Memory created 1000. Right? At that place, this new value 7 will store. Remember? See, when I came here, int 10, memory will allocate. N value 7, address is 1000. That is okay. Come to the inside the program. First one, static, skip it. Static will skip. Runtime, it don't run. Static skip. Remember the function where you are, f function. As of now, n value 7. Remember, r is a local variable that is there in the static area. So I think this first line skipped. Can you see the second line? Can you see the second line? If n is less than or equal to 5, n value 7, condition fail. 2 fail. Let's go to 3. Let's go to 3. Else, if n is greater than 3, I think n value 7, 7 greater than 3, condition is true. Then you have to run. Remember, if 3 true, I don't go to 4. If 3 fail, I will go to 4. Remember, see everyone now. If the 2 is true, I don't go to 3. If fail, then only else. Second statement to true, I don't go to third. Third statement to true, I don't go to fourth. Right? Some people are asking, sir, third statement to true, why you don't go to fourth? There is a return. You have to return back. If second statement is true, why don't you go to third one? There is a return in between. Return means what? Going back. From which function you came, you have to go back. What is the meaning of return ticket? I went from A to B, right? What is the meaning of return journey? B to A. So if I say return here from where you came, you came to f function, right? You came to f function, right? From the main maybe. So you will go to main. Or very simple, from which place I came, I have to go there. So either 2 will execute or 3 will execute or 4. 2, 3, 4 cannot execute at a time. So I checked 2 fail. So 2 fail. I checked 3, yes, 3 pass. So 3 executing. Be careful. 3 executed means 2 fail. 3 executed means 4 cannot be done. Right? Now I am executing 3. Everyone observe what is the 3. Everyone observe what is 3. So n value now 7. 7 greater than 3 condition is true. Then I have to execute the third statement. What is the third statement? Return r plus f of n minus 2. See this one. R plus f of n minus 2. N value 7. 7 minus 2. What is the meaning? 7 minus 2 means 5. So remember from here, f of 5, 7 minus 2, 5. 5 is going like this. So what is the meaning difference between recursion and other people is, right? So in the normal one, from outside you will go to f function, but in the recursion you are going inside only. Same story you will do. Inside person is called. Again starting. Do the starting. What is the answer? Int n again, but n memory create again, but n value 5. Address is 2000. So same story here. But one more interesting question, very important question, very important question. As of now, if I use R value, what is the R value as of now? If I use R value as of now, what is the R value? I want answer from all of you. Everyone be careful. As of now, if I use R value, what R value I have to use? As of now. As of now, if I use R value, what R value I have to use? 5 or not? Yes or no? If I use R value as of now, R value 5 only. As of now, R value 5 only. Can anyone help me? Are you using or are you postponing? If you use as of now 5, but are you using now or postponing? You have to postpone. See, to do plus operation, everyone listen. To do plus operation, left person required, right person also required. You have left but right not there. You have, listen, to do plus operation, left required, right required. Left there but right not there. Right purpose you are postponing. But when you are postponing right purpose, this plus operation, when you come back, you may change. As of now 5 only. As of now 5. But you are not able to do the operation. Because to do this plus operation, 2 people required. To do A plus B, A required, B required. A available, but B not available. I am going for B purpose. But do you believe or not? Static variable, anyone can change. So R is waiting now. See, R is waiting. You are not done the task. R is waiting. When you come back, you may change. Let's see. So f of int 10, where n value 5. Again, start recursion from starting. First one, skip it. Second one, n value is 5 now. 5 less than or equal to 0, fail. Second fail. Let's go to 3. What is the 3? N value 5. 5 greater than 3, condition true. Again 3 true. What is the answer? Return R plus f of int n. Now here n is, right? I think 5 minus 2, which is going to be 3. So n value, address is 3000. So n value is 3. So again same story. Remember, R is again waiting. R is again waiting, right? Now see this. Again start n value 3. Start now. First statement fail. Int, right? Static int R is equal to 5. Fail. Next one. N value is now 3. 3 less than or equal to 0. Second also fail. Third one. 3 greater than 3. Third also fail. Let's go to 4. What is the 4? Return R minus. Fourth statement. Return R minus f of int n, where n is now, right? How much now? N is, you came here, n is now. Be careful everyone, you came to here. N is 3 minus 2 means 1. Address is 4000. Address is 4000. As usual you do. Remember everyone, if you use R now, can anyone help me? If I use R now, what will print? If I use R now, what will print? If I use R now, what will print? 5 only. R is not updated until now. R is not updated until now. If I print R now, 5 only will print. But important thing is he's waiting. Important thing is he is waiting. Now see what happened. So n value is now 1. Again recursive program called. Can you see the first step? First step is gone. Second step, n value is 1 now. 1 now. 1 is less than or equal to 0. Fail. So 2 also fail. Can you go to the 3 now? 1 is greater than 3. Fail. Again fourth statement. So R minus f of int n, where n became 1 minus 2, so means minus 1. It became minus 1. Now see the answer. Address may be 5000. Address may be 5000. Can you see this? As usual. Can you see this? Right? So first statement, right? First statement failed. Second statement. Can you see the second statement? Second statement is n is less than or equal to 0. N is less than or equal to 0. True. N is less than or equal to 0. Yes or no? N value now minus 1. Minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. True. So because of it is true, second statement true, I have to execute. What I have to execute? R is equal to 9. R will change to 9. And one more thing, return to, listen, return to, you are returning to. R is equal to 9, you made okay, but you are returning to. R is equal to 9, okay, but you are returning to. Now see what happened. Return means what? Reverse order it will work. So this 2 will goes to from which place you came? This place. So this became 2. Return means what? From which place you can see? From this place you came. When you say return, from which place you came, that place you will go. Right? Return to. So this will goes to 2. Return to. This will goes to 2. But what is the R value? R value changed now only 9. 9 minus 2, which will goes to 7. That 7 will goes to from which place you came? This place you came. This 7 will goes to that place. It is 7. What is the R value now? Now 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. This 2 will goes to from which place you came? That place. This will goes to 2. This is 2. What is the R value now? 9. 9 plus 2, how much? 11. This 11 will goes to which place? From which place you came? This one. That place 11 will go. It is 11. It is 11. But what is the R value now? R value now 9. 9 plus 11, which is going to be 20. 20 will goes to from, right, which place? From which place you came? That place. First one came from here. It is 20. So 20 will be printed. 20 will be printed. It is a, see, it is a very serious issue. This problem, that is the reason I am saying last. In the static variable, it is one of the complex problem. That is the reason I am saying last. That is the reason I am saying last. In the static variable, it is a one of the complex one. It's one of the complex one. That is the reason I am saying last. If I say this problem starting only, you will die. If I say this problem starting only, definitely you don't get and you will die also. And not only dying, you will write. Because of Reddy sir teaching, I am dying. Ankit will write, because of Reddy sir teaching, I am dying. Over. So Ankit is gone. I also gone. I will be there in the jail. I will go to jail, right? In the jail also for the police people, I will teach the static variable. Wherever I will go, I will definitely teach static variable. If I am there here, I will teach to students. If I go to jail, in the jail, I will teach to police people static variable, auto variable, register variable, all the things I will do. Where it doesn't matter where I am, guarantee I will teach static variable. If I teach this problem starting only, if I teach, I think someone will die and they will write my name also because of Reddy sir I did, right? Finally, I will be in jail, but I don't lose anything. Anyhow, I will teach. There also I will teach. Here I am teaching, place will differ. Place will differ. Maybe I think Indian government will keep online classes for all the police people. For all the police people with me, a Kaidi teaching to all police people. Please learn, right? Static variable, external, right? Static variable, auto variable, register variable from Reddy sir, right? So famous Reddy sir is came to jail also. Please utilize this wonderful opportunity. So like that, everyone. So I don't lose anything. Trust me. The only thing is I don't know in the jail network is available or not. Internet is there in the jail or not, I don't know. Maybe 1 week I will trouble. I will request them, so they will give anyhow internet facility. So I will start teaching. So that is the reason I'm teaching this problem at the end. That is the reason. That is the reason I'm teaching this problem at the end. That is the reason teaching really required experience. Teaching really required experience. Are you getting? Teaching really required experience. If I don't have experience, I will say this problem starting only. I will say this problem starting only. Starting itself, I will say, go on. Someone is saying same code int r is equal to 5 instead of static int r is equal to 5. I think at that time what happened? Every time r value 5. Every time when you call the function r value 5. Right? You may not see. If you delay static variable, e may update. Whenever static variable, please be careful. Are you using static variable directly? You may not impact that much. If you are delaying, static variable may update. There may be an issue. If you are delaying, see, I think there is a mentorship class. My kids are waiting. There is a mentorship class. My kids are waiting. I am going. There is a mentorship class. My kids are waiting. I am going. So bye-bye. Bye-bye. Right? Remember everyone. Remember your static variable, if you keep them in the waiting state. Static variable you kept in the waiting state. Static variable you kept in the waiting state. It may be update. It may create problem. So static variable don't keep in the waiting. If you keep in the wait, he may change. Because many people can access him, he may change. Right? This is a nice problem. Please check. Any doubt there, in our group you can ask. If any doubt is there, in our group you can ask. And one more, I'm saying to you, next class is on Monday, that too morning. Next class is on Monday. Next class is on Monday, that too morning 6 o'clock. So I request everyone, please take care. Next class Monday morning 6 o'clock. Fine. Is it okay? If R was local, yeah, verify yourself. R is local, normal story. R is local, normal story. Yes, in the EPT YouTube channel. Same place only morning 6 a.m. Same place only, right? Morning 6 a.m. Right? Fine. Perfect. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Good night. See you in the mentorship class. Hope you are finding these classes useful. All resources are there in the description and in the first comment also, like doubt solving group link, 5000 verified questions link, mock tests, quizzes and notes, and right, all the things whichever needed, all kept in the description. Please see, use them properly. These are the resources which you need. I have been guiding students since 2007. Many of my students secured top ranks in the competitive exam. My goal since 2007, from the last 18 years, my goal is very clear. Within 6 to 12 months, I want to make sure my students should crack all competitive exams. Whatever way you are watching these videos, right, these lectures, for all the subjects, similar way is there. Same clarity will be there. And I request everyone, comment your target exam, which exam you are targeting. What is the rank you are targeting? Please comment in the comment section. And comment this also, how many subjects you completed till now. What are the most difficult subjects you are feeling? And when you started the preparation, I request you, please comment so that we can help you accordingly. If these lectures are helping you, right, please comment and share it to your friends also. If you have any doubt at any point of time, don't forget to comment in the comment section. Keep growing, keep improving, and stay consistent. Thank you.